An incredible opportunity awaits you in Tunisia. A workshop and tour there with Diane and Kala from the D&H Fine Art Mosaic School in September 2025 promises to be an enriching and inspiring experience. Participants can expect to immerse themselves in the intricate world of their technique for realism and explore traditional Roman mosaic techniques. Both workshops are hands-on sessions with detailed instruction and feedback by experts and finish with a celebration. Enjoy the all-inclusive hotel in Hammamet and the camaraderie of others with the same passion for mosaics. There's a huge variety of food and drink choices, catering for all tastes. Try some traditional Tunisian foods, which are tasty and delicious. For breakfast, chefs will prepare mloui and pancakes while you wait. The staff are very friendly and helpful and always have a smile. Staff will often anticipate what you need and go above and beyond to ensure your stay is as comfortable as possible. Relax at the refreshing pools where you can choose to rest and relax, or else join the animation team for water aerobics or other activities throughout the day. Have a drink on the island in the main swimming pool, which gives you a panoramic view of the hotel and its surroundings. Spend some time on the sun-kissed beaches, where the Mediterranean's azure water provide a perfect backdrop for creativity and reflection. Watch the camels as they leisurely walk by, or even have a ride. Begin your adventure at the famous Bardo Museum, renowned for its stunning collection of ancient mosaics that offer a glimpse into Tunisia's rich and vibrant past. Visit Nabil, the stunning center of ceramics and pottery, with incredible handmade and hand-painted homewares. Wander through the souks or bustling artisanal markets, where traditional crafts and local artistry come to life, offering endless inspiration and unique souvenirs. Some are heritage listed by UNESCO and whisper of bygone eras. No visit to Tunisia is complete without exploring the beautiful town of Sidi Bou Said, with its houses and buildings in blue and white, mixed with magenta bougainvillea. Finally, explore the archaeological sites that reveal Tunisia's fascinating past. This tour promises a perfect blend of art, relaxation, and cultural exploration, creating an enriching holiday experience.